Here's a pair of Beats Solo 4 headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Roku TV via Bluetooth. First thing is go to your settings on your Roku TV. You can click on the home button. Go here in the left pane here. We want to go down to settings. Right there, click on OK. From here, we're going to go down one to remotes and devices. Click on OK on the remote. And then we're going to go down to wireless headphones, okay? Now, if you don't have wireless headphones on your Roku TV, then you don't have built-in Bluetooth. A workaround for you would be to connect these headphones to the Roku app on your phone, okay? Anyway, if you do have this, we can proceed here. Wireless headphones, I'm going to go ahead and select that. And then I'm going to go down to add new wireless headphones. Right there, click on OK. Now it's searching for devices in pairing mode near me. So now we got to hurry up and put these into pairing mode. If you look on here, we have this one button right here. These are currently off. I'm going to press and hold until the LED light over here starts blinking white, 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 white. Okay, so power button here, they're currently off. Power button, ready, set, go. Press and hold. Going to keep holding here, hold, still holding, up, white, white, white. There we go. Okay, now we have to wait for the countdown. 3, 2, 1, and voila, it found it. All right, Beats Solo 4. Just go ahead and click on OK. Make sure it's highlighted. Connecting. It says that we are done. And now we should see the check mark right there under the Beats Solo 4. And of course, when you're connected, you're able to increase and decrease the volume as well. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't connect these or you had pairing problems, you can always reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below.